What's up, guys? Today we are looking at this little handy invention. So basically what this is, it's a AAA battery to AA battery converter. It's just a plastic housing with some metal on each ends like so, and it just converts a simple AAA battery. Just pop it in here, close it in like that, and you can use it as a normal AA battery. So this is great when, you know, around the house, especially during Christmas, when you don't have the correct battery and all you have are these small batteries usually used for remote controls, and you just want to test something quickly but you don't have a AA. You can just get the battery from that and it works like a charm. So I'm just powering on my amp. You can see it's powered on. Just to show you, I just have to plug in my guitar. Why is there no sound? Oh, the battery. That's weird. It was working. Okay. That's not good. Turn this off. Double check. Yeah, I didn't put it in backwards. It's closed tight. One of these loose. So I bought these on Amazon for about €10 for a pack of 10. And I seem to have run out of battery. Okay. Let me try to figure out what happened here. Okay, let me try and... Okay, let me swap out some of these batteries for different batteries. They could be gone. I took them all from the remote control. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and I took some more batteries. These are not the same ones. And we have power. It is red. Don't know what happened with the other one. And we are live. See, there we have it, guys. So indispensable little invention, and you can use it when you don't have AA batteries. And I bought this for about €10 on Amazon. For a pack of 10, and generally great reviews. Just what happened earlier was that I had some dead batteries, so I took them from the remote control, so that's why that happened. And yeah, very nifty device, highly recommend. Alright guys, if you have any suggestions or comments, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.